What's up, everyone? So today we're not going to be using Claude. We're going to be using Ox Alpha. I've been seeing it's free for the week, so I figured I'd try it. So yeah, this is it. I've been wanting to try to make a Vampire Survivor clone for a while, so I figured I'd try it on this. I mean, it's through the chat, so it's not agentic, but I try to see if the loop could work, if the gauntlet loop would still work for this, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. But alright, so this was my prompt. Just basic Vampire Survivors game. Make sure it looks good, plays good, looks nice, all that. That's the prompt. Yeah, and then it just gave me the thing. This is after one prompt, 0 shot. So, alright, this is the game. Alright, so like I said, this is a single shot prompt. I call the Ox Alpha Vampire Survivors. Have to survive 30 minutes. I played once. I survived 6 minutes and 49 seconds. I was just playing around, but, who should I do? Should I do? Yeah, let's just try with I like him in Vampire Survivors, so. Alright, so yeah, this is it. I don't know if you guys can hear it, hopefully. I think you can, so. I'm pretty sure it looks like it. Alright. So yeah, this is it. I mean, it's pretty fun so far. It's just the basic whatever, but I mean, it looks pretty good at, whoa, extra projectile. It looks good. It plays smooth, actually, really smooth. It's looking good so far. It's playing nice. Yeah, I mean, for a single shot, it's not bad, actually. The character looks like a person. Usually they just make, like, circles or shapes. The bats look like bats. That's pretty cool. I don't think there's anything on the maps. I think it's just, you gotta, take out the enemies. Let's see, what are we gonna do? We'll re-roll. A fire wand? Yeah, we'll go full wand build, I guess, if there is full, I don't know. I don't know what all the weapons are and all that in the game. But yeah, so let's see how far we can get. I got 1:06. Yeah, I mean, it looks, oh, okay, there we go. Was that a zombie, right? That's pretty cool. They added more extra enemies. A tree. And they seem they have to take more hits, so that's nice. I don't know what the coin is for. I don't think there's really anything to use it for. Maybe if I did another iteration, I would just add, like a shop or so you can upgrade your characters. But, so yeah, this is it so far. It's pretty fun. I mean, it's Vampire Survivors and it looks nice. Even the, weapon animations and all that, they look pretty smooth. Duplicator, definitely. Yeah, we're not going to pass that up. I want to see how far I can get. There's no difficulties or anything like that. It's just, like I said, just a basic. But yeah, I mean, it looks nice. It's playing nice. I only got up to 6 minutes last time, so we'll see how far we can get. But yeah, I mean, so far it runs really smooth. No issues at all. No, hitboxes all look correct. When I pick it up, it's correct. Nothing seems to be any issue. Another duplicator. Nice. Yeah, I'm probably going to be able to win after a couple upgrades, I think. The last one I was just messing around, seeing what there was. So, but yeah, this one just seems, I don't know, but we'll see how difficult it gets. We're only at 3 minutes. Not even close to it, so. Yeah. This is made with Ox Alpha. It's with OpenAI, it's a stealth model that they're testing, and it's free for a week, and it's, really good tests. I like it. I did another one. I'm gonna make a video on my next video. I did a couple nice generations. I mean, not the greatest. I like using like Claude Code or something like that. But this is just only on the chat. So unless I could, I don't know. I looked it up. I just didn't really look too deep into it to see if I could put it on Claude Code or something like that. But okay, so we got skeletons. I know we've had them for a while, but there's a lot of guys. They're coming really fast. A lot of them, huh? All right, let's see if we can take this guy out. I don't think we took that one hit in the beginning. I think that's it. So that's pretty good. Let's go around and grab those. Oh, the end of the map, I guess. Unless it just changes, I don't know. I'm gonna grab my... Oh! I was not paying attention. Grab my experience. I don't know where my health is. Oh, right there. 3, okay. Okay, so it looks like some of them was food, maybe? Because I think my health went up. Alright, we will get a lightning ring. Yeah, let's get lightning. Oh, where did the, Oh, the boss is in the middle, okay. Wow, that lightning seemed very powerful. It's just destroying chunks of guys. Oh, we got ghosts now? Okay. Not too bad so far. But, yeah. What do you guys think of the, new GTA leaks that came out? I don't have, any of the systems. I don't know. I only have PCs, so I might just wait. Everyone's saying, oh, they're doing it. They're not putting on the PC because of, what did they say? I don't know, stupid reasons. But the main reason is, honestly, if you think about it, which I haven't heard anybody really say, is that a couple months ago, they cracked Denuvo, whatever it is, where the companies would pay, and for like 6 months, a year, 2 years, it would be like a copyright thing to where you couldn't crack the game. So, but a couple months ago, they ended up, um, cracking that, so any game that you put out now can automatically be played pretty much if you download it. So it's probably because if they do put it out, then everyone, well, not everyone, but a lot of people would be able to get it for free and they wouldn't have to pay for it, and they would lose a lot of money. That's why the companies use it in the first place, was because sometimes they'll put it up for like a year, 6 months, just so that amount of time you have to buy it and they can't be pirated. But like I said, now that it's cracked, you can get it anytime. So, I mean, not you can. I'm sorry, I'm playing with the dog, but my hello, the audio, hello, okay, it seems to be working again. I don't know what happened, but yeah, so that's probably the reason, because, like I said, if they put it out, then people will be able to get it for free, and they'll figure they'll lose money. So yeah, I think that's the reason. I mean, it could be wrong, but yeah, I mean, I'm excited. I wanted to play it. I got the last Grand Theft on, at midnight release, when I got it for 360, I believe. I was excited, but it was, I think, because I didn't have too many games before that, but it was one of the games that, because on the earlier Xbox 360 games, you didn't have to download the games into the system, the game would be on the CD, and you'd have to update or whatever. But that was one of the games that was, I don't know if it was too big or why they did it, but that you actually had to install the game onto your system. But so yeah, I mean this game is actually pretty fun. It's not bad. It's working pretty smoothly. I don't see any issues so far. I don't think I got anything picking up that. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, fire wand. But yeah, so we'll see about the Grand Theft, how it does, all that. The leaks are pretty crazy though. But I don't see why they're. I mean, it's really not. What is it real bad really doing to them? They're just getting more. More people are getting psyched about it. Yeah, I know it's coming out. What, the 27th? That Netflix or whatever. 6 hours before, which is ridiculous. But yeah, they're getting exposure. A lot of people are excited about it. And I don't see. I mean, I get it. Somebody took stuff, but it's not like they're giving it out unless they really do have the copy and they are gonna put it out if they get it right. If that happens, then maybe that would be a problem. But nah, we'll see if it happens. I doubt it's gonna happen like that though. But yeah, so. Oh, okay. I didn't see the XP at the bottom. Let's grab all this. Or HP. So I think one is gold and the other one is food. Hopefully I could get a nice upgrade next, and I will do Pierce, yeah. Get through enemies. Nice. Got him. Alright, take it. Oh, it didn't give me anything. Okay, I guess they don't all work. The first one worked, but I don't think any of them worked after that. To give me any items or upgrades on items or whatever it's supposed to do. I don't see any magnets or anything, so that's pretty. I'm just gonna have to keep grabbing them. That's pretty annoying. Because I have to keep sticking around and all that. How come I don't see anything for this guy at the bottom? Oh, okay. Yeah, if I click it, nothing. Oh, okay, I get the gold and XP. Okay. I'd rather get upgrades for my weapons, like it'll, sometimes you get one upgrade, sometimes you get two, like that. Alright, what do we got? Cooldown? Yeah, we'll do cooldown. I don't know if that's for my... Oh, that'd probably be for the book then, huh? But yeah, I mean, if I had another, if I did another iteration, I would add a couple things. But man, like I said, for a zero shot, that's pretty good actually. All the characters look like they're supposed to, move and play like they're supposed to. Even the weapons, they look like, like the fireballs and all that. They look like what they're supposed to. So, I pretty decent model. I don't know. I don't know whose it is yet. They haven't said, but it's pretty decent. Like I said, I did a couple generations, and they all came out pretty okay. Like I said, it's through the chat, so it's. I usually use the Claude Code or stuff like that. It makes a difference. But for the chat, it's really not bad. Like I said, most of the time they just do shapes and all that. But this actually has a look and feel to it. And its own little, its own little look and feel. Alright. What's that? What are those? I don't know what they're supposed to be. Dogs, maybe? No. I have no clue. If you guys can let me know what you think those are. Alright, let's see. Should we do... Dad's doing damage. We'll do the lightning ring. Wow, those things are strong, strong. Are those green ones like the purple ones in Vampire Survivor, maybe? Oh, nice pick. Oh, that's pickup area. We'll do lightning ring. I do like the lightning. I like lightning in most games. Yeah, those things are powerful. They don't want to die. I don't know what they are. Oh, pass through you guys. And there's no dash or anything, so that's also another thing I would have added. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just get another book. Maybe those will make a difference. And they're fast. Those things are quick. I haven't upgraded my speed, though. My movement, so that's partially my fault. But... And this ghost are probably gonna be a lot more difficult than... Ooh, should I get the XP? No, we'll just... Because Man, maybe I should have gotten the XP. But I'm quicker than them, so I'm not... immediately gonna die. Well, I'm doing pretty good, I think. But my health number keeps going up. I wish there was like a max, like 100 or something, but... I think there's a boss every 5 minutes, so I think like 15 there should be another one. We'll see. Um... Yeah, fire wand. We got the duplicator, so... We're getting double what we're supposed to have in the first place, so that's good. Not for the books, though. I wish it worked for the books and everything else. Ooh, it seems to be getting quicker, I think. Are they getting quicker? I don't know. No, I think I'm just... Oh, those bats are fast. Yeah, when I turn, I just lose so much. We will do... Fire wand. Ah. Yeah, see every 5 minutes. But I wish I got upgrades for beating them. Because like I said, there's nothing I can really do with the gold. And I don't think I'm going to make it. As long as I can stay faster than them, I should be able to. We'll use a reroll. Or should I projectile speed? Shit. Ah, my health. My health said this 20. Okay, so I guess the health was wrong. Okay. Shit. Alright, 15 minutes and 36. 36. That's not bad. Okay. But we'll go back to the title. Yeah, like I said, there's nothing we could do with the gold, or if I added did a couple more iterations, I think this could come out pretty good. Actually, like really good, really fun, really enjoyable. Add a couple more enemies. I think it come out really, really nice. So yeah, I'm excited to see what the Ox Alpha is all about, or who's making it and all that. Maybe I'll, see if I could use that AI when it pops up. But yeah, so this was Ox Alpha Vampire Survivors. I figured I'd check out the Ox Alpha. I liked the generations it gave me, so alright. But yeah, so this was it. Um and let me know what you guys think in the comments. If you like the video or not, or if you have any ideas of games or whatever. It'd be easier to clone games rather than make my own. But if you have an idea, more detailed idea of it, and maybe I can get it done. But alright, so that was it. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you guys later. Take it easy.